MGA, a renowned organization, welcomes you to its high-flying world of auto parts equipment. MGA is fully capable to respond to challenges of rapidly growing industry of automotive parts, ranging from lavishing cars to agricultural vehicles. At MGA, products are monitored as per the desired Pakistani and international standards till the time they are dispatched. The finest quality products, manufactured by us, are approved by both government and private sector organizations. MGA has currently a cooperative business partner of many independent organizations and enjoying OEM status for world-renowned brands like PAC Suzuki Motors, Honda Atlas Cars, Messi, Ferguson, Miller Tractors, Fiat and some other valuable brands. The R&D department is the core of MGA Industries. It has been established for research, study, analysis and development regarding innovations and improvements in the whole setup of industry and customers' needs. Before starting of the mass production of a part, the comprehensive study and analysis is made by taking all critical aspects regarding design and development. MGA has gained international recognition by exporting automobile parts to USA, Middle East, Asian, and African countries, thus becoming a multidisciplinary organization, operating both locally and internationally. MGA is ISO 9001-2008 certified company with reliable business partners in more than 15 countries. The ISO 9001-2000 certificate also enables us to export our product all over the world. At MGA, the environmental standards are strictly monitored. In future we plan to implement 14001-2004 environmental management systems, as the company is currently fulfilling almost every requirement for the certification.